I'm at the Fairmont Royal York Hotel in Toronto, downtown Toronto, and I'm gonna do a quick tour of my room. This is just a basic Fairmont room. All the rooms have been renovated in here, and that's how the room looks after the renovation. And of course the famous comfortable Fairmont bed. I like the colors, grays broken with some turquoise. My view is of the front street, a little bit of a lake, and I'm facing the Union Station, and that's how the room looks.
When I'm out and about walking to this very day.
Very small bathroom with a big shower. So this is the mini bar, paid bar. And what else we have? So well-stocked mini bar. And here's the price list. So basically beer is $8.50 and spirits and wine between $10 and $29. So if you touch anything and you remove for more than 30 seconds, they will charge you, regardless whether you used it or not. So beware. We have some nice herbal teas, black tea, green tea,